Imagine a digital library so vast it could preserve the internet's history forever. But now, that very library is being locked out of one of the web's most vibrant communities. Reddit has taken a dramatic step by restricting the Internet Archive's Wayback Machine from archiving most of its content, citing concerns about AI companies exploiting its data. This move isn't just a technical tweak. It's a seismic shift in how platforms like Reddit are reclaiming control over their data in the AI arms race. But here's where it gets controversial. Are these restrictions a necessary defense of user rights or a gatekeeping play to monetize information? Let's break it down. The Internet Archive, a nonprofit dedicated to building a global digital library, has long used the Wayback Machine to snap time capsules of web pages. Its mission is noble: save everything from vanishing websites to rare software, ensuring the Internet's history isn't lost. But Reddit now claims some AI firms are gaming the system. They're allegedly scraping Reddit's archive data through the Wayback Machine to train models without paying licensing fees. Reddit isn't against AI companies using its content altogether. It just wants to charge for it. In fact, the platform has already struck multi-million-dollar deals with giants like Google and OpenAI, allowing them to index and use Reddit's data under strict terms. The problem? Smaller players or unscrupulous actors might be cutting corners by using the Internet Archive as a loophole. Reddit's stance has sparked debates about who truly owns user-generated content. The platform argues that by blocking the Wayback Machine from crawling post details, comments, and profiles, though it'll still index the homepage, it's protecting Redditors' privacy and ensuring compliance with its policies. For example, if a user deletes a post, Reddit wants to ensure it's truly gone, even from backups. A Reddit spokesperson told Gizmodo, "Until the Internet Archive can prove they're upholding user privacy and respecting removal requests, we're limiting access." But critics counter, shouldn't archiving be a public good, even if it means some data is repurposed? And here's where it gets even more complicated. What if the Internet Archive's mission of preserving knowledge clashes with Reddit's desire to profit from its data? This isn't Reddit's first stand on data control. In June, it sued AI startup Anthropic for allegedly scraping posts without permission, and it's now blocking all but Google from indexing recent Reddit content in search results. These moves signal a broader trend. Platforms are no longer passive hosts but active gatekeepers of their data. For everyday users, the implications are clear. Your posts, comments, and interactions might become commodities, accessible only to those who pay. But for the average Redditor, the question remains, does this protect their rights, or does it prioritize corporate profits over the open web spirit? So what do you think? Is Reddit's crackdown a fair way to protect user data and fund innovation? Or does it risk stifling the Internet's collective memory? And should platforms like the Internet Archive be allowed to archive content even if it means some data is reused without direct payment? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This is a conversation that's just getting started.